Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage, cloud storage, and computing power, without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the Internet. Large clouds, predominant today, often have functions distributed over multiple locations from central servers. If the connection to the user is relatively close, it may be designated an edge server. Clouds may be limited to a single organization, enterprise clouds, or be available to many organizations, public cloud. Cloud computing relies on sharing of resources to achieve coherence and economies of scale. Advocates of public and hybrid clouds note that cloud computing allows companies to avoid or minimize upfront IT infrastructure costs. Proponents also claim that cloud computing allows enterprises to get their applications up and running faster, with improved manageability and less maintenance, and that it enables IT teams to more rapidly adjust resources to meet fluctuating and unpredictable demand, providing the burst computing capability, high computing power at certain periods of peak demand. Cloud providers typically use a pay-as-you-go model, which can lead to unexpected operating expenses if administrators are not familiarized with cloud pricing models. The availability of high-capacity networks, low-cost computers, and storage devices, as well as the widespread adoption of hardware virtualization, service-oriented architecture, and autonomic and utility computing has led to growth in cloud computing. By 2019, Linux was the most widely used operating system, including in Microsoft's offerings, and is thus described as dominant. The cloud service provider, CSP, will screen, keep up, and gather data about the firewalls, intrusion identification and counteractive action frameworks and information stream inside the network. The goal of cloud computing is to allow users to take benefit from all of these technologies without the need for deep knowledge about or expertise with each one of them. The cloud aims to cut costs and helps the users focus on their core business instead of being impeded by IT obstacles. The main enabling technology for cloud computing is virtualization. Virtualization software separates a physical computing device into one or more virtual devices, each of which can be easily used and managed to perform computing tasks. With operating system-level virtualization essentially creating a scalable system of multiple independent computing devices, idle computing resources can be allocated and used more efficiently. Virtualization provides the agility required to speed up IT operations and reduces cost by increasing infrastructure utilization. Autonomic computing automates the process through which the user can provision resources on demand. By minimizing user involvement, automation speeds up the process, reduces labor costs, and reduces the possibility of human errors. Agility for organizations may be improved, as cloud computing may increase users' flexibility with reprovisioning, adding, or expanding technological infrastructure resources. Cost reductions are claimed by cloud providers. A public cloud delivery model converts capital expenditures, e.g., buying servers, to operational expenditure. This purportedly lowers barriers to entry, as infrastructure is typically provided by a third party and need not be purchased for one-time or infrequent intensive computing tasks. Pricing on a utility computing basis is fine-grained, with usage-based billing options. As well, less in-house IT skills are required for the implementation of projects that use cloud computing. The eFiscal Project's state-of-the-art repository contains several articles looking into cost aspects in more detail, most of them concluding that cost savings depend on the type of activities supported and the type of infrastructure available in-house.
Please subscribe, like video, share, comment, and click bell icon for upcoming videos.